These are some spreadsheets. Now, if you remember about a month ago, we saw a very popular YouTube comment on one of our videos that suggested we should take our least popular pearl, our least popular base color, and our least popular top coat, use all of them and spray a full car. And of course, we did it. And to our surprise, it actually looked awesome. Now, we ended up seeing a lot of comments coming on that video, and of course now, you guys want to see our most popular pearl, our most popular base color, and our most popular top coat. And here is the data. So for 2024, our most popular base gallon color is Nardo Gray. Nardo Gray is right here. Now, side note, I did make the executive decision to pull black out of the list. Black would have been number one. This whole video would have just kind of lost something if we used black as a base. So if you wanted to see black and you wanted us to stay true to the data, I apologize. I just felt like this is the right thing to do. So Nardo Gray is the base. Our most popular pearl for 2024, ZBP Hypershift, our purple to black Hypershift, which we have right here, and our most popular top coat, Next Gen Satin, which is right here. So, all in all, you're going to see ZBP Hypershift in a satin finish over Nardo Gray. Gabe, thoughts?
I think it's going to be pretty sweet.
I think we're both afraid of one thing. Yeah. You guys watching this channel for a long time, you know exactly what we're thinking. This pearl right here, is going to be considerably darker than our base. Anytime you use a pearl that's darker than your base, there's some danger there. It may kind of end up looking like dirt. So let me show you a little ZBP here. It is a stunner. Black to purple, super dark, super rich. So in order to try, towel please, thank you sir. In order to try to combat this whole pearl darker than the base thing, we're going with a super low pigment load. That'll give us as much control as possible. We don't want to suffocate the Nardo Gray. We want it to play a role. We just want to add the ZBP purple to black effect on top, for better or for worse. So we're going with 5 grams a gallon. Let's get this mixed up. And wouldn't it be funny if we used our least popular combination on our other video and got an excellent end result and ended up using our most popular combination on this one and it ends up looking terrible?
It's very possible.
It is all too possible. Let me show you what ZBP looks like over black. This is our most popular pearl of 2024. So it's black to purple, and at some very extremes, depending on how much pigment you use, it can even fire off a little bit green. So our most popular product combination, going down in the S4, let's go. All right, guys, we are done with the project. And what lesson did we learn today? Well, just because you have 2 individual products that work really well on their own, it doesn't mean it's going to work out when you put them together. This one fought us back really hard. No matter what we did, the pearl was just too dark for the base. And I'm not going to lie to you, it's kind of a mess. I always promise we're going to show you guys the end result no matter what happens. And I'm going to keep true to that today. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and you guys know what to do. leave a comment below, rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't. It's a cool color concept. You can tell the tones are there, but it just didn't work out the way we wanted it to, and that's okay. We wanted to experiment, and we always have fun when we do it. If you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, we have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they all work better than this one. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. No matter what, Gabe and I had fun today, and I hope you have fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.